Welcome back, everybody. It's Jeff again with J&K Stay in Vegas with another deconstruction of F1 update for you. We're going to take the same route we have before just so that we can get a clear bearing of how much has been taken down. We're going to see if those trees are getting installed at Bellagio, even if the structure is down. So let's go take a ride and find out everything that has been teared down. So if you're coming here in December, you know if you can enjoy those fountains in their full or the volcano, which is going to open tonight. Date of recording of this is Friday, December 8th. Let's get on that non-track right now here in Las Vegas. Let's go. So starting off here at the intersection of Koval and Harmon, where the pit area is, only thing that's going to remain is that main pit building. The rest, those grandstands are coming down. So let's get down Koval, check out the progress. All right, here we go, folks. Koval is fully open now, both directions, which is nice to see. So if you're coming here with a rental car, and all those temporary stands over here at the pit are gone, but they're, like I said, they're taking down those main grandstands that they had open. So all the temporary stuff is coming down, and only the main building here is going to reside. This over here has been their kind of supply drop-off area. But yeah, as stated in previous videos, these big old grandstands here on Koval that looked very much permanent are coming down. And all those are coming down. Still a lot of the track lighting is up here. Track lighting is gone on the other side. But that is coming along nicely. I can't wait to see what the strip looks like. Hopefully they made some huge progress over the last week. Ellis Island is sure a lot easier to get into these days. That's good to hear. You know, a lot of our subscribers like staying here. Good value and good steak and eggs. But yeah, look at this, all coming down. Absolutely amazing amount of work that went into this race to have all these structures be so temporary. I'm sure these businesses are liking Koval being open again. Now the pedestrian bridge is almost taken down there. It's kind of hard to see. It's right in front of the vehicular bridge. And the vehicular bridge is still in process. Again, there's talk that they're going to make something permanent, but for now they'll be taking this down this year. But I wouldn't be mad at this if they made something permanent. I think it'd make traffic go a lot smoother. So it looks like they haven't made too much progress down here, which is understandable. This is probably on the low priority list here, but they do have all the track lighting down. So yeah, it looks like you can finally go down here and make a left on Winnick, which will take you to the back of the high roller. And we'll continue on. So this was the turn here to go down turn 7, I believe, here. So they've got all the grandstands down here. It looks like we might be able to drive down here. Let's try it. Yeah, it looks like it. So let's go. Of course, a sphere over here. Always got to check in with the sphere. Always got some different pattern or advertisement on it about the biggest advertising thing that is around here, that's for sure. So then the track would go this way, and I'm sure these apartments are very happy that this is done. So let's see how far we can get over this way. They might yell at me. We'll see. So they would come down technically through here. This is the actual track here. So they would come up through here and through a couple of really tight turns and then make their way up to Sands, which we'll see in a minute. Can't wait to see the strip. I'm really hopeful that they've done some things and made some progress for that matter. So then they would come up through this way, and then they would turn up here, go opposite way of the flow of traffic, and head up this way, up Sands. That's what we're gonna do right now. If you're enjoying these update videos, please give us a thumbs up, everybody. We'd really appreciate it, and subscribe to our channel and all the content that we do here on J&K Stay in Vegas. We appreciate it. Okay, we'll have to cross the street here. It records the wind. Actually, I think I'm going to go up on this side. I'm going to stay safe, not have to cross Las Vegas Boulevard. And then we'll make our way across Las Vegas Boulevard in a lot more safer way. Rodeo's in town. Got a lot of cowboy hats abound. So the track was on this side. All of those barriers are gone now. It's concrete barriers. That's nice to see. There's Resorts World and of course the Wynn. So yeah, all this track lane is completely cleared up now. So they have the track lighting a little bit still left over right here, but they got a little bit left over on the other side by Fashion Show Mall. And then of course they make this turn. It was a dead end and one of those race car drivers actually crashed over there. But they still got the track lighting. Let's make our way up to the Mirage and see how those grandstands are doing. See all that over there. So that's still up. Let's go take a look at the Mirage. And we'll check out the Venetian over here, see if those outdoor gondolas are going now. That'd be nice to see. The outdoor gondolas are going. I am happy to report. People are enjoying a nice outdoor sunny ride. That is nice to see. Very nice to see. All right, let's go check out across the street. It's like we got the walk symbol to go across the street. That's perfect timing for us. And in typical fashion, somebody to block the intersection. Let's go. So the volcano is supposed to be back up tonight, as recording this on Friday, December 8th. The track lighting is still up, but all the grandstands are down, thankfully. So this is nice to see. So hopefully the people tonight will be able to enjoy that volcano show here at the Mirage. Let's keep going. Let's go check out the Bellagio. So all the track lighting is still up here, which doesn't surprise me. It's not too much of an eyesore. I mean, grandstands I think are a lot bigger of an eyesore. But as soon as we get up to the Bellagio, we'll see how that's going. Always got to rely on tourists that don't know where they're going. All right, coming up to the corner of Flamingo and Las Vegas Boulevard. So, trees aren't in yet. This is coming down. Still working on it, unfortunately, but they are making some pretty good headway, I admit. But this traffic is gnarly. Big old crane here. It's quite nuts. This thing off the wheels off the road. So yeah, they're taking that last bit down. Pretty soon you'll be able to enjoy these fountains in all their glory and get those trees back. Let's go check out those trees again, see if they've added any more or what's going on with those. Make a right here at Bellagio. Go check out those trees now. Check out the other side of this construction. Let's see what this is looking like on this side. So here's what it's looking over here. Two sections, one at the very end. So that's probably so that if they're getting delayed, that they can at least have the fountains open here. Let's continue on. Let's go see our trees. See what they're up to. Still sitting in here in this big potted planted area. They even got some smaller ones here. Even have a few more down here. Good to see. Good to see. All the way down here. Nice. Bellagio trees are waiting to be installed. Even these smaller ones over here too. That's good. Let's turn around. All right, let's head down Las Vegas Boulevard again. Wow. That's how people don't even look. Knew the bike was coming along, but she still cut it off. All right, so the track lighting is still over here in this section. And then we'll make our left down Harmon. All right, let's head down Harmon here. Just had to go around the corner there so I didn't get into lots of dumb people traffic. All right, here we go down Harmon. Track lighting is still here, but all the track lighting in the middle here of Harmon is gone. On this nice smooth road on this side, and it's a little windy today too. See if they've got these grandstands down here. So if you remember before, they had all here at Hilton Grand Vacations, they had the grandstands, and these are almost completely torn down here. And it looks like our one vehicular bridge, though there's two of them here, the one is still down there. We'll take a look at that in a second, but this first one, all gone. Nice to see. So our other vehicular bridge, they're doing some speedy work here, almost taken down. Of course, went right across the way, right behind Miracle Mile Shops over there. The next one is still up. Go take a look at that progress as well. So yeah, this one is still here, but on the other side, they've already got that one taken out. So they haven't got this side yet. But this side that goes by Top Golf, yeah, they got that down. Good. Good to see. And just made our loop back around. And you can see that bridge. Still got to do that side. I wish the Bellagio was a little further along, but we'll take what we can get, I guess, right? Well, everybody, that's going to do it for another F1 deconstruction update. If you've enjoyed this video and these updates, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas. Also, turn on those bell notifications to be alerted to every time we post a new video just like this, or we go live every Saturday night. Hey, did you check out that Durango video? Brand new hotel casino in the southwest part of the valley. Check that out on our channel. All right, everybody, until the next one, as always, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody.